Annavaram is known to be a place where one's desires or wishes get fulfilled. The name itself is derived from two words. Anna means whatever you ask or you desire, and Varam means boon. Hence, whatever you desire will be given as boon by the deity. Annavaram is one of the most famous holy shrine located in the East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh on the banks of river Pampa. It is on the hilltop of Ratnagiri, and there is an interesting story behind how the hill was named as Ratnagiri. Meruvu, the lord of the hills, and his consort Menaka did great penance and begot two sons by the grace of Lord Vishnu. One was named Bhadra and the other Ratnakar. Bhadra pleased Lord Vishnu with his devotion and penance, and with his grace became Bhadrachalam, on which Lord Sri Rama had permanently settled. Ratnakara desired to emulate his brother and succeeded in pleasing Lord Vishnu by his penance, and with his grace became Ratnagiri, on which Lord Sri Vishnu settled on him as Lord Sri Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Swami. Later, a temple was built in 1891 by Sri I.V. Raman Narayana, a zemindar, as said to have been commanded by the Lord in his dream. The idol was traced from the hill and placed at the current spot, which we now know as Annavaram. The temple is flocked by tourists throughout the year. The scenic beauty and panoramic views are something that attracts the tourists to visit Annavaram. It is surrounded by lush green fields and villages which can be viewed from the hilltop. The temple is famous for Sri Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Swami, a form of the Hindu deity Lord Vishnu. The temple is built in Dravidian style. The main temple is constructed in the form of a chariot with the four wheels at each of the four corners. The wheels depicting the sun and the moon serve to remind us that the Jagannath's chariot moves on the wheels of time and goes on forever and ever. Thus, the Annavaram temple satisfies both the ritualistic values and the spiritual aspirations of the devotees. The presiding deity is Lord Satyadeva with his consort Sri Ananta Lakshmi on one side and with Lord Shiva on the other side. He has taken a beautiful manifested form of the Divine Trinity, namely Harihara Hiranya Garbha Trimurtiyatmaka. The main sanctum stands on two floors. The ground floor covers the yantra and peetam of the god. The four sides of the yantra contains the deities of Ganapati, Suryanarayana Swami, Balatripura Sundari and Maheshwara Swami. Mulato Brahma Rupaya, Madhyatsaha Maheshwaram, Agrataha Vishnu Rupaya, Traika Rupayate Namaha. It means that the base in the lower sanctum represents Lord Brahma, and the top in the upper sanctum represents Lord Vishnu, and the middle portion represents Lord Shiva. Apart from the main temple, there is also a temple of Lord Sri Rama, and then the temples of Vanadurga and Kanakadurga. There is a Kalyana Mandapam, Gauri Kalyana Mandapam, in front of the main temple, constructed and decorated with modern pieces of architecture. The main Seva programs in the temple start with Sri Swamivari Suprabhata Seva at 3:30 am in the morning, followed by Abhishekam and Archana at 4 am and 5:15 am, Balabhogam at 5:15 am, Panchaharatulu and Niranjana Mantra Pushpamulu at 5:30 am, Srivari Nitya Kalyanam at 9:30 am, Sri Swamivari Darbaru Seva is from 7:30 pm to 8:30 pm, Sri Ammavarla Ekanta Seva is in between 8:30 to 9 pm. Abhishekams are done by the pilgrims from 8 am to 12 pm in the Yantralayam. Swamivari Sarvadarshanam is from morning 6 am to 12:30 pm in the afternoon and again from 1 pm to 9 pm. The Devasthanam provides lockers and Annadanam, that is free food, to the tourists. The Devasthanam has also taken all measures for the pilgrims' comfortable stay on the Ratnagiri. Different kinds of accommodation ranging from normal rooms to AC rooms and various guest houses are situated on the hilltop. Advanced reservation facility is available for all accommodations. The devotees are requested to pay in advance one-day rent plus 50% additional amount for the reservation. Prasadam counter is also available on the National Highway for those who are not able to visit the temple. Annavaram is well connected by both rail and roadways. It is situated at a distance of 32 km from Pittapuram, 51 km from Kakinada, 72 km from Rajahmundry, 125 km from Visakhapatnam. The National Highway number 5 passes through Annavaram. There are 2 Devasthanam buses that run from Rajahmundry to Uphill. There are APSRTC buses every half an hour via Annavaram to and fro from Rajahmundry and to and fro from Visakhapatnam, and for every 15 minutes from Thuni to Kakinada via Annavaram and surrounding villages. Most of the trains passing between Kolkata-Vijayawada line will stop at Annavaram station. The nearest airport from the east side of Annavaram is situated at Visakhapatnam. The nearest airport from the west side of Annavaram is situated at Rajahmundry.